yes, I think this could be my next car. Oh, I love this one.
That red stitching actually matches your suit.
Oh, mince pies. Thank you. Oh, haven't we met?
No?
Oh, all right. Well, thank you, sir.
Would you like to step over to my desk?
Oh, yes. Wonderful young man.
Can I offer you a drink, Mr. Claus?
Oh, yes, I hear your chocolate fudge brownie is rather splendid.
Of course.
Splendid.
So you're interested in the Polo GTI 25th Anniversary Edition, one of only 2,500 made?
Oh, yes, I certainly am, young Max. You see, I do have rather a lot of days off, and I'm looking for something to entertain myself.
Of course, Mr. Claus, we'll just have to go through some of the paperwork, and I'll need your driving license.
Pulman, delivering a fantastic customer experience.